Okay, so we're gonna write a program that compares two city names and sorts them into alphabetical order. So if you have, let's say, I don't know, Algiers and Paris, Algiers will go first and Paris will go next. Okay. So let's set up our scanner first. Oops. And now let's start a program. So we'll put in our first program, enter city 1. And we'll put in a string. Okay. And then we'll do another print statement, enter city 2. All right. So now we have city 1 and city 2. Now this is what we're going to do. We're going to write an if statement, and we're going to compare city 1 with city 2. So we're going to use to compare. Sorry, not to compare. It's compare to this function. Okay. So let's say city 1 starts with an H, and city 2 starts with W. Okay. So if this is greater than this one, it's going to return in 1. Okay. But wait, actually, let's do it this way. Let's have this one be W and this one be H. Okay. So if this one is greater than city 2, it's going to return in 1. All right. If they're both equal to each other, then it's going to return in 0. And if city 1 is less than city 2, it's going to return in -1. So I want city 1 to be bigger than city 2 for this one. Okay. And then I'm going to write a print statement here. And so if city 1 is larger, it's going to be a larger letter, and city 2 is going to be a lower letter. So city 2 has to go first. City 2, then we're going to write then city 1. Oh yeah, I forgot the plus. Plus city 1. All right. Now I'm going to put a condition. It has to be all right. So if this is true, it's going to be 1. So it has to be greater than 0. All right. So let's say this city starts with a W, and this city starts with an H. W is greater than H. It's going to return in 1, and then I want them to execute this code. Else, I want them to execute the same code, but city 1 and city 2 are reversed. So this one will be city 1, city 2. Okay, then let me close the scanner. And let me see this. Okay, so city 2, so this will be H, this will be W. I don't know how else to write it. Okay, so let's see this. So enter city 1, let's do Moscow. Let's do London. All right, that makes sense. London should come first, then Moscow. What if we do London first? All right, so it's still like knows like which one comes first and which one comes last. So yeah, there we go. That looks pretty good.